Greetings, Professor. My name is Rupa Goli. I am a current grad student from Computer Science Department. I'm doing the course under your guidance for Automata Theory for Summer 1 2025 semester. And I have chosen Hospital Management System using CKY parsing. So I gonna talk about the contents first. It comes with the project domain, list of valid invalid sentences, context free grammar, Chomsky normal form, and CKY tables. So when coming to introduction, like here in the hospital management system, like hospitals enquiry system based statements were considered, and also it includes the kinds of questions like medicine suggest, requirement of medicine, and finding the doctors. For each of the sentence manually constructed using the CKY table for checking their validity according to the grammar statements. Like here, I have written 18 statements which as valid, and I divided those 18 statements as valid and invalid. So valid means the sentence which has a good meaning, and invalid means the sentence which don't have a good meaning. So I want to explain this one too. I have taken this statement like I need a medicine means this has a good meaning to understand. And I want an emergency treatment. This one also has a good meaning. I prefer this daughter. This one is also good. And also, I suggest you a medicine. This is also a valid statement and which has a good meaning. Check this medicine. This is a valid statement and it's a what I can say. It's a this sentence has a this sentence has a good meaning. Like that, I have written all 15 valid sentences, and these three, like I have chosen three invalid sentences. So, doctor treatment. This sentence don't have good meaning. Hospitals in doctor. This sentence also they don't have good meaning, and a pharmacy of doctors. This sentence also they don't have good meaning, so that's why it called as invalid sentences. When coming to discuss about the CFG, it's a context-free grammar which has a set of rules and also which describes about the language. So these all I call it as sentences, lines. I call this one as production. So the left side one I call it as terminal, and the right side one I call it as non-terminals. So I have written S implies NPVP, S implies aux NPVP, S implies VP, NP implies pronoun, NP implies proper noun, NP implies det nominal, NP implies det NP. So like that, I have designed all these things like adjective good. That means that, this, the, a, and these. Noun means medicine, doctor, emergency treatment, hospital. Verb means which include, is, like, prefer, what, has, need, suggest, search, check. And also pronoun I, it, me, you, she, her. Noun hospital, pharmacy, doctors. Preposition means from, to, in, for, of, verb, test, list. So here this is the one which I have used to convert CFG to CNF. Kromsky normal form. The grammar in which each production having one terminal or two non-terminals in right side of each production is called CNF. So in this grammar, like in the right side, it only accepts only two non-terminals. It should contain only two non-terminals. It should be one also, it is valid, and it is valid for two also, but it should not contain more than two. So, uh, one second, Professor. So, like this is the grammar I have mentioned by the side. Uh, so, like here, In this statement, it contains the three non-terminals. So three is not accepted. So what I'm doing is I'm merging the NPVP. I'm merging NPVP with a new term called D. And this D is I have placed beside aux. So now this whole production becomes valid as it shows only two non-terminals in the right side. So like that, the conversions gonna happen. And also, when coming to discuss about the CKY tables for the valid sentences, like after passing whole string with CNF rules, if final cell at the bottom achieves starting symbol of the grammar is called valid sentence, or else it's a invalid sentence. And also, here I have taken a valid sentence called I need a medicine, in which uh, I refers pronoun, need refers verb, a refers debt, medicine refers noun. So like this statement is divided into words, and like if we pass the statements into words, in the last we get the starting symbol of the yes. If the starting symbol comes over here, then the process that we done over here was correct. So let me explain. Det followed by noun, and det followed by nominal, det followed by NP. These statements comes under valid as like here it shows in the uh, grammar. And also nominal and NP is merged as NP, and also det followed by NP is written as is determined as VP. So that's why we have written VP and NP as VP. And also verb followed by det. So no rule was found in the grammar. So that's why this cell was completely empty. And also in the starting, as it was shown, like VP NP belongs to S. So that's why I have written the S over here. So like that, I have written all the 15 invalid sentences as well as the 15 valid sentences, and also I have written three invalid sentences as well. Thank you, Professor. Have a good day.